Hey, time,
This is KCee, Alaji Beauty the changer. No time to check time, it's time to make some money, time to change money. And this one
Naijafm 102.7.
They very, very necessary. No good.
And C's for South Africa, we call him the Limpopo King.
Okay.
Then again, you can call him the 5-star general.
True.
And of course, you can call him the original choir master. We get the Ukwizili is a group for the matter. You can call him the cultural praise ambassador.
Okay.
But everybody knows him as KCee.
Very lately,
BMK.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very legend.
I forgot to add Zagi.
Well. That introduction too long for me. It plenty, but nevertheless, I did very happy today. Now my family, they ask.
As a matter of fact.
Nah, I don't do radio.
We know.
Nah.
As for that cultural praise, no talk am again. You remember that day? that year when they won't put me on Tota? You remember for
Okay, for this thing, for my show, for this thing, for Tatiana. When they play,
Festa.
yes, now they play cultural plays back to back like 5 times, 40 minutes like that. You can imagine 40 minutes times 4. You know, almost we're looking at about almost 1 hour. I want the thing not to play that DJ. Now this guy hold my mic.
DJ don't do.
He said this in over the next year in a bottle. If you stop that music,
Yeah.
That be smart.
You want to stop the work of the Lord?
Now that time he said no. The next one you must come.
Oh, I got you.
Let's set the place down. I love this, but that budget to that we save more.
Hey, don't be smart.
Wow.
You know, crowd where did I play that?
You know, but
Christmas Day.
Christmas Day.
25th of December.
Whoa.
And in the place everybody stand up. Who go be
Then
and
they
the
thank God now.
say,
the whole girl, cigar, the beer, the woman, but the song, the dance and
the only man of God, we God don't send enter strip club, enter club, enter beer parlor, go message in word. And now only me now. Now me don't run out.
No, more we really look at that level as in the hot. The KCee we know, now KCee of the Limpopo Master, the KCee of so many songs we know they get. First, there was this transition of KCee where we say the kind names where they give song, not be name if you find for dictionary. At least me, I know we don't know that one right from time.
No,
you know understand many songs like that where KCee don't give them later. Yeah. So this thing Limpopo, many. Then from there, you can't enter normal naming of songs and you bust it. Then all of a sudden, allows the 2020 after a brief, you call it brief hiatus, you come out with the cultural praise, which is the Ekwesili group. Now, you will tell us why that rebranding, why that change of KCee into that level for that period.
So for me, music for me now, which I love to do, whether anybody like them or not. I know they always look for hits, and they always do what I love to do. And hit could come in between, you know. So I have no time to say I don't go take break or rest or sleep, but I will also do, you know, say no be every time some of them go enter.
Yes.
If you some people like us, we don't do 20-something years, like 24, 23 years now. So we need a rush for it again. We don't do all those paths. You understand? So me, the time when I do cultural praise, the idea was, you know, okay, man, just say as stay happen. We did village before lockdown. So my brother E-Money, you know, saying they like that again.
Money.
I always bring them come out. So this man, they call they knock this thing, Me at the year. So as a creative person, I dey feel am say, oh, this is supposed to be documented. We suppose put that together. Say people go feel am. Now so I carry those boys, bundle the inside studio. We can't knock them organically like that. No digital, everything. Knock them. So when I hear them, it sounded different and original from everything we did. I say this is it. So but when I try to sample them for some people, they say, what is this? Everybody discouraged me. Say, you no go walk, you no go walk, you no go walk. Leave and people go laughing. How can you jump from Limpopo to this side now?
Oh, people talk about me?
No, I'm not gonna blame them. Because even me, I've already guessed more.
I guess a little bit of observation.
Producer go with the producer, the shake say, "Okay, what you want to say?" You understand?
So this is what you do. You know the drum.
I know. Now my way. See, sometimes you need to express the vision and the idea what God give you.
Yes.
Because when God give you idea, He not give you now two. Now you He give. So when you try to explain that idea to another person, you no go understand that. So sometimes I like to do what I feel like doing. So me at that point, after recording that song 4 months, they disturb me to release. I no feel. I can't go record another album. We be dance hall. Now I give birth to BMK. So I say make I do BMK. I don't package and submit am. We are release album now. They no gree release am. I try to release am. They say all my artists there and all my colleagues don't get album. Almost 15 people don't release album. That year, December. See if I release this album now, it go dey too many. Blah blah. I say okay. I can't say okay, no problem. So December 4th, I can call them and say, beg this cultural praise. Una fit you help me release am. Make I.
That was 2020 now.
2020 December 4th.
Now immediately come out the cash fire.
Yes, I say me the release, I don't know, grow, they fight me, even my distributional company. They say no, this kind 10 minutes, 11 minutes song, the this one. I say this generation don't get patience. Say now 2 minutes now.
I go blow person.
I say release this thing, they no agree. 1 week, 1 come pass. So on that 4th
of December,
I come call. They say okay, me I want leak am. If I not release am now, I'll leak am. So then they can't underrate me. They can't release am for YouTube. Only YouTube music.
Now the story they tell us. So
Yes. So before then, wake up in the morning and for me say wake up, the music don't blow. The streaming don't pass. You don't pass. Waiting there they expect or more. Now sharp they take distributor for every platform. Or more. The numbers where that thing do in like 3 days. Even me say I feel the numbers.
I said it.
So and imagine songs that is more than 10 minutes. People they put them for repeat.
Play yes.
When they bar for
They won't beat both.
when they go they will put them for repeat for their car. They will come they put them for repeat on the low. Imagine the streaming of that song.
Who will tell me my favorite part of that? Who will tell me my favorite part of that song? So there must be something for each person. We go plan the game for year that to go young again. Because that to replan, when it come out, everything makes sense. But then again, I need to still go on the controversial level at a particular time because of the success of the song. One guy can come out and say he be get lyrical sticks to the song.
Yeah.
How not take do that one finish now?
Well, the guy come out say, "Nine write the song," and the part when they talk now that first part.
Yes.
And that one had something where we dey sing for Catholic
Everybody
church.
they sing down.
Me, I
Now
be
my wife
man
talk about
server for Catholic church. I grew for Catholic church for years. I do man server for 12 years.
Wow.
So you come to tell me how old the man dey 50 something. Catholic church, how many years Catholic church dey? I know if you count. So that song itself is older than the man. And the words when I use, not being himself, now words where they for Bible.
You understand?
Now words when me I see for Bible, I even use. No be the same way. So, but based on say the thing don't catch fire. In one country and
That man in Nigeria has.
But based on 1 or 2, we see the court. We see the court. Yes, till tomorrow.
Okay, more labor since the court, we just leave the matter for now as the matter they go. Okay, now I find out say now we can't transcend from the cultural praise volume 1. You can't do volume 2, which 2 of them day at power one kind.
Sure.
And we can't say after that one you can't come back to some songs. You just play old big time about to T. That one you feature Peruzzi. That one they inside your BMK this thing. No. You know that one I just single off the chart.
Yeah.
Then this mommy move because they come closer home now. Because I don't say go now today night go come out officially. Mommy move where you feature Oli G. Now the KCee where I know they really just use any person like that. What it make you look at to Oli G now from in creative talent or now from in fan followership? Now you stay join body to do this mommy move.
Yeah, the truth be say if you follow the history of my career, which is I know they do too much collaboration.
Yes, now make the talk.
Very few. And I know be somebody I dey believe in what me I dey do. So the song original somebody will say when they record that original song at this studio that year, or because all of us they follow Nelson Brown then the record. So it's somebody I knew way back from AJ when we they also. So I met him at some point, he said they try won't pick up again, and I can't say man, I love this song. We fit do the remix. The guy was so excited. He was like, So when I saw the excitement in him, I say, this thing be like say this guy I need and where I can't promise. I mean I be man of my word.
No,
Say,
no, definitely.
I go do.
You
So I can't tell and say
now.
we'll run out. So it took like over a year plus before I still run out. You understand? So doing the remix is just that kind of song where you like by yourself. I loved that song. Most people they forget say my father and a DJ too that year. They play. Yeah, so me I they sell those records. They play. So those were one of those music there where we say if you drop them for party like this, women and men they remove their shoe for hand, they dance. So I decided to remake the song with the owner because in their life. And let me tell you the biggest joy I get. For this guy to call me on the phone while I dey South Korea, say Omo, they don't call me for show, then they pay me for show. And I say the last time when they pay me for show na years.
Yeah.
Tears won't come off from my eye. Why some people do on social media, they say, KCee, go look for what you go do. Why they do the mix? Why they do it? People just like to they talk. But sometimes you don't need to calm down, understand why person they do a thing they do.
Understand the process.
Or the process, you understand? So
Yeah,
it benefited the young man. And myself, it benefits me because as that song they so now, if you see me where they knock am for sure, you yourself go.
No, but you still get one song where we say I dey vex for you for some years now. Where we say the time when they show the song just come out to just throw away the song. Meanwhile, the song they boss people head for club. You know the song? Chakandu. You know the song, Chakandu. You know the song now?
Okay.
That song.
That one on my piano when I do with Uhuru then.
That was before the Amapano matter come out.
Yes, that was like 2016.
That song pay me. That's the only song where I don't say KCee don't do video.
So which reason are you?
No, I do video.
You do video for that talk. You not push her now.
Yeah, but I do video.
I'm not sure Nigeria this will do a piano.
You don't start.
2015, 2016.
This argument they Twitter, go to data matter.
Me when they argue that thing, I come Twitter, I just listen, I look at. I just go.
You don't think when this
This song can do it. Talk now. Go play on my piano. Now 2015 we run out.
You understand? Okay, no, but because of this segment of this one, mom just felicitate with Ology. Based on saying that you actually bring up for inside in the song, mommy move just feel like.
Wahala be like Okada. On Monday.
Not be your work.
On Monday, I
Not
said
be your work.
I said this one is a go. This one
is a go.
I just shoot her. Say more push up. So it wasn't like I planned to feature in Yanya or anything, but we were in the atmosphere where we say the spirit day together, happiness day, joy day, love day, and I felt like having him on my song, and not just because I felt it. You be like say God design him.
For that
because
song.
if you hear in verse for that song, you're gonna say
the video come out today too now.
Yes.
Today this song come out.
Video drop
I see one red blazer. I mean,
when you watch the video,
I don't see him. I see some things. I say, but who shoot? When I see the 4K, when I see the HD quality, I say this one.
Max shooter.
I know. Where Max?
Indeed.
My guy.
Indeed.
But more talking about you, Wizkid, Burna Boy. No, Burna Boy never reached for the video side. You, Wizkid, Davido, P Square.
Yeah.
Who did you get the most number of videos, musical videos of their songs out there? Because you if you cough, you don't do video.
As I speak, I get 3 videos.
Attacker.
We never come out.
You see they do video, they go earlier.
What for you? Now visuals we go you say now. Me, I just like I said, I love my music.
If they won't vote, I'll vote for. Say one person will not bring videos, musical videos come out for his song. Pass.
I love
now you they run
I know
the
they
matter
play with my music,
well.
so I'd always pay attention.
Okay. Well, before we go enter this go on this just like say I want to thank my wife
And my girlfriend.
my girlfriend.
And I can't extend the talk. Say, and my wife is my girlfriend.
Okay.
Why they no hear that English? That last one. Why they only hear
My wife
Now let me tell you the truth.
English.
The truth be say, Dele Momodu taught me this thing like about 20 years ago.
Okay.
Say controversial news, nine be the news.
I be the cocoa.
The good news.
I want to ask you one question. You don't use KCee wife before.
Never.
You never say
No. I don't see.
she don't give me food chop.
No, in recent times, KCee don't.
Come listen to this song, good. Make we just feel like this is KCee featuring Yaya G Go.
Now, wow. On the 28th December, it's called KCee Thanksgiving Festival.
When I hear I'm from
On the
Naijafm
28th.
Fest.
Yes,
That is
headlining. I want to perform. So if you never see me perform before, no miss out. And when I leave you that day, you go do your man like this. Wow. Na KCee be this.
So you go use your choir, your group, and everything. I want to ask you, sorry, I don't come your side, I don't come your studios, I don't see you when we hang out. And unless you say you did always they rehearse. Those people they rehearse with for that your live band and your studio. Nine that they be that.
Them are the still
Wow, nice one.
So we don't synchronize very well. We don't.
I just say our practice place perfect now.
We import them from East Congo.
Normally.
Na job creation now.
Na job avenue I create for people.
And they tell you now.
We no get job enough. You can't give them more job. Now
they tell
So right now, those guys don't make them without you.
they have made it.
They don't enjoy me.
They have made it.
All right, thank you so much, KCee. We will play KCee Go again. Of course, this one a feature in Yanya. Just go cop them anywhere. And of course, at I am KCee for inside the Instagram at I am KCee for Instagram. At I am KCee for inside Twitter. Follow my people inside the matter they go. But this one now go KCee and Inyanya. Once music is nice, you play what?
Twice.
I saw the thing go.
I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Yeah.
Ole kama lekwa, ole kama lekwa, ole kale kupeo, ole kale mama.
Oh Lord of mercy, see what you done to me. Girl, I no go disappoint you, spend all of my money. Your body surprise me, oh. What is this? Some whiskey for body, oh. What is this? Waiting, I dey see. She carry me go where I don't know. She carry me go where I don't know. Baby,